When your analytics is being done by computers alone, it's inevitably false and inaccurate. Here's why. The amount of data in social media is increasing exponentially. So is the amount of non-relevant information and complex data such as photos, videos, and spoken language. Analyzing complex data requires human-level intelligence. In the field of artificial intelligence, it is one of the most difficult problems to solve. Hence, it is called as an AI-complete problem. InsightsAtlas is the first solution on the market that solves the AI-complete problem by automizing global-scale real-time human analysis as a part of the algorithmic AI-based analytics. Our analysts operate seamlessly together with computer algorithms. We select appropriate analysts for each brand separately and apply strict quality assurance throughout the process. Moreover, the results created by the analysts constantly contribute in the development of InsightAtlas's own proprietary algorithms. Based on the analysis of complex data, we provide the highest quality insights on the market that assist companies to grow better.